Have you ever wondered why we say a book, an apple, or the sun? These tiny words may seem simple, but they are one of the most important parts of English grammar. In today's lesson, you'll learn everything you need to know about articles in a clear and easy way. We'll explore the differences between a, an, and the, discover when to use each one, avoid common mistakes, and practice with real life examples. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident speaking and writing English. So grab your notebooks, stay with me until the end, and let's master English articles together with English with Kazimi Teach. Uh, so today's lesson is about articles. First of all, we have to know what are articles. We have a small definition for articles. They are used to specify a noun. When we want to speak about a specific noun, we have to use articles. And mainly, we have two types of articles. Number one, they are indefinite articles, a and an. And number two, we have the definite article, the. Our today's lesson is about indefinite articles. We will go through each one step by step. Usages of the indefinite articles a and an. First of all, the form a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound or a vowel with a consonant sound. So what do I mean by a vowel with a consonant sound? In English, most of the time, vowel letters they doesn't make any sound. They have specific rules to follow. So, on that time, when our word is beginning with a vowel a, e, I, o, u, we have to use a or an. For example, a man, a woman, a university, a European. Here, our vowel letter E, it doesn't make any sound. Next, number two, the form an is used before words beginning with a vowel a, e, I, o, u, or mut h. For example, an apple, an hour, an iron, and a razor. Here we have our mut h, and we use an before it. Mainly we have 5 usages for the indefinite articles. We have more, but 5 of them are the best one. So let's go through each of them. Number 1, we use the indefinite article before a singular noun which is countable. So when we have a noun and that is countable, we use a or an. For example, I need a book. Here, our noun is book and it is countable. Number 2, I can see a wide strand of hair on your head. Here, our noun is hair and we use a before it. Here, why we use a with hair? Hair is uncountable, but we have specified a strand of hair, and that one small hair which is white. Because of that, we use a or an. Number 2, before a singular countable noun which is used as a class of things. What do I mean by a class of things? For example, you mention a thing and we will consider that for all the things. For example, a boy must be strong. Here, it doesn't mean that a specific boy must be strong. It means all boys must be strong. A child needs love. It doesn't mean just one child needs love. It means all children needs love. Number 3, before a noun complement. When our sentence is completed by a noun, we use a or an. For example, yesterday there was a big storm. Here our noun is storm and we use a before it. She is a lovely girl. Here Our noun is girl and we use a before it. Number 4, insert an expression of quantity. So expression of quantity, when we have expression of quantity, we use a or an before them. For example, a lot of, a couple of, a great deal, a great deal of. Actually, here there is a mistake. And finally, a dozen of. And the last usage, we use a. A can be placed before Mr., Miss, or Mrs. plus surname. For example, he was a Mr. Ali. The woman who was in the wedding party was a Miss Nargis. So, why do we use a before Mr., Miss, or Mrs.? In English, when we don't know a person and just we know the name of the person, we use a before them to show that the speaker is unknown for us. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Follow the next video.